Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For our tutorial for this video is another type of bubble stitches, which is bubbles and ladders. This is quite easy, and we're going to start with milk cotton yarn, 4.5 mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. And to start with, we need chain a multiple of 6 plus 3. So I'm going to do 18 plus 3, a total of 21 chain. 18 and then plus 3, total of 21 chain. So this is our 21 chain. And to proceed to foundation row, we're going to do 1 DC or 1 double crochet in 4 chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 double crochet in here, should be like this. Next is chain 2, 1, 2, and skip next chain and 1 single crochet on the next chain. So we're going to skip the next chain, this is this one, and make single crochet in the next chain. Next is chain 2, and skip the next chain and make double crochet in the next chain like this, and make double crochet in the next 2 chain, double crochet in each of the next 2 chain like this. So after the double crochet on the 4th chain from hook, skip the next chain and single chain 2 and single crochet in the next chain, skip again next chain, chain 2, and make double crochet in each of the next 3 chain. Next is chain 2 and skip the next chain, which is this one, and make single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, skip the next chain and make double crochet in each of the next 3 chain. Repeat this process across. Like this. Then chain 2, skip the next chain and single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, then skip the next chain, and for the remaining 2 chain we're going to do single crochet, we are going to do double crochet in each of the remaining 2 chain. Last double crochet will be the turning chain, the top turning chain, this one. So this is how we do our foundation row. Now we're going to proceed to row 1, chain 3. This is count as 1 double crochet, then skip the first DC. So this one, the first DC, we're going to skip this and make 1 double crochet in the next DC here. One double crochet here, like this, chain 3, 1 2 3, and make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. So this is the next double crochet. We're going to do 1 double crochet in here, like this. On the next double crochet, we're going to do the bubble stitch. Okay, yarn over, insert that. Make sure we have 6 loops on hook. Okay, so now 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then chain 1 to close or to lock the bubble, like this. And next, 1 double crochet in the next double crochet, like this. Repeat this process across. Okay, chain 3, then 1 double crochet in the next double crochet, and make bubble, and make bubble in the next double crochet. 3 loops on hook. Okay, make sure you have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn, chain 1 to close or lock the bubble stitch, 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, chain 3, and to end up our row 1, 1 double crochet in next double crochet here, and last double crochet on the top of turning chain here. This is the top turning chain. So this is how it look like our row 1. And to proceed to row 2, chain 3, count as 1 double crochet, skip the first double crochet, this one. On the next double crochet, make 1 double crochet, like this, and then chain 2, 1 2, and make single crochet in the next chain 3 space here, single crochet. Okay, next is chain 2, and next make double crochet in the next double crochet here. On the next bubble stitch, on top of it, make 1 double crochet, and next 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Next is chain 2 and make single crochet in the next chain 3 space here. Next, chain 2 and make double crochet in the next double crochet and double crochet on top of bubble stitch and double crochet in the next double crochet. Like this. Next is chain 2, make single crochet in the next chain 3 space, then next is chain 2 and make double crochet in the next double crochet and last double crochet on the top of turning chain. So this is how we end up our bobbles and ladders. I add 2 more rows, a total of 4 rows, so and easy for you to see the texture or to see the design. Just repeat pattern 1 and 2 until you reach your own desired length and measurement. This can be used for scarf or design for shirts and the cup. Again, thank you for watching and please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for you to receive notification every time I have new tutorial video like this. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.